Hey, welcome to How's It Channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to check a website for viruses. Open your web browser and paste a link you can find in the description box down below. Open the web page. Copy and paste a link of the website you want to check. Click on the magnifying glass to begin the check. Wait until it is done. Look through the Detection tab. Here you will find the results from different antiviruses. Click on the Details tab to get the details about the web page. If you click on the Community tab, you will get information about the web page through the eyes of other users. We will also show you the example of a malicious web page. Copy and paste a link of the website you want to check. Click on the magnifying glass to begin the check. Wait until it is done. You can see the Detection tab has information from a few antiviruses that says the page has malware. If you click on the Community tab, you will see the rating of the web page also says it is an infected page. You can check any web page you want. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!